Hello, paper crafting friends, and welcome to my 5th attempt to make my first YouTube video ever. I had the first one done, uploaded, and published on public and realized that the thumbnail was upside down. So here we go again. If you're a paper crafter, you're probably very well aware that AliExpress had a big sale on November 11th, and previously to that I had only ordered one thing off of Ali before, but this time I really went nuts, and I'm so excited because last night I found this on my front porch, and so I thought for my first video I would just show you what I got. Now, full disclosure, as I mentioned, this is not my first crack at this, so everything is already open because I've already done this once. But I'm going to try to take you back through it. I don't know if we're going to have time to get through everything, so I might save a little bit of it for the next one. My idea with this order was a few things. One of my favorite channels to watch is Tamika on Scrap2World. I love watching her swaps, and I realized that I think you can't participate in swaps on YouTube, if I've got that right, unless you have a channel. So that was one reason I wanted to start a channel. Before I get to rambling too much, let's just get going with what I got. Before I make myself more nervous than I already am. One of the things I love to see in Tamika swaps is when people put bag toppers on things, and I don't have any bag toppers. So I was really happy to get this. A little butterfly. I love on Ali when they show examples of what you can make with the dies. You get some really good ideas that way. So in order to even see how to put some of these dies together, some of the more complicated ones, I'm going to have to take another look at those, I think, just to figure that out. Here's a good example of that. This is, I'll link it in the description box so you can see it for yourself, but it is like a box. Really hard to describe, but you'll see it if you go on there and look. Really, really cute. The dies that I already have are mostly like really basic frame dies, stuff like that. Nothing to really make cute projects with. So excited to get started with some of these, and that's probably what my next few videos will be, are just things that I make out of these dies, and the ones that should continue to come in hopefully before the end of December. I think they said the middle of January, so I'm happy that these got here this soon, really. Just a very practical note, just some circles. Everybody needs circles, and I'm really happy about these because they're stitched. I don't have any stitched dies, and that's a nice wide variety, really good quality. I was also thinking a lot about spring, since I'm a little late for Christmas projects and cards and stuff. So this little hot air balloon I thought would be so cute. And I've never made shaker cards, and I love seeing the shaker cards on Strawberry Cream 39's videos. Get a lot of good ideas from her, so I'm still looking for foam. I've heard that they have it at Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to check there. But, ooh, this one, little dress die. What's really neat about this one, maybe you've seen it, is it's dimensional. So these are all openings where you cut this one out, and stick all the pieces in each one of these lines, and you've got a puffy little three-dimensional dress. So really excited about that one. And the only stamp I got this time around was this, these words, a script, and I'd really like to get 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, but this is not that. This is just words out of a novel or something. But I thought that would be useful. I think I have a couple more of these coming. I don't have any doily dies, so really excited about these. I think a lot of fun things you can do with those. Okay, this is something I saw again on Tamika's channel. She was doing one of her swaps, and she used these little bows. And that's actually where I got the idea for a lot of the things that I ordered. It's just I would watch people's videos, and when they showed something cute they got off Ally, I'd go ahead and order it. I like making recipe cards, so I thought these would be really cute for that. Little measuring spoons. And I don't know how easy these are to see. Those backwards. I guess this is the other stamp that I got, but just all these little sentiments and words. That'd be cute for tags. I'm going to lose my place here and forget what I've shown. Okay, this one I'm really, really excited about. This is, oh, sorry about the crinkling. It's a little food truck that you put together to be dimensional. So you cut these pieces out twice, and so it can stand on its own. And it's going to be good all year round because it has all of these different words. Candy, hot dogs, sandwiches, hamburger, cupcakes, and ice cream. I thought that would be really, really cute. And it comes also with this little leaf die. I do have a few flower dies, so I love a good leaf die. I have a few of these. Love this little one, a little wagon with a Christmas tree. So cute. Okay, I did get that. I guess I did get a few stamps. Again, Tamika's channel. Hi, Tamika, if you're ever watching sometime in the future. Little snowman faces. Let's see. Okay, for this part, I think I'm going to flip you down here. Charms. Woohoo! Oh, I was so happy to see these. Okay, just take you through them real quick here. Couple of my favorites. Bumblebees. Great for springtime, and all these flowers. Really nice quality flowers, or just charms in general. And one of my favorites, little flamingo. And love this for a project for one of my grandsons, little astronaut and spaceship. This one's still in the package, little multicolor flower, little rainbow and clouds. I hope you can get a good view of these from this angle. if it isn't already obvious, I don't have any idea what I'm doing. Hoping the quality of these videos will improve as time goes by. I'm sure they will. I just about have to. But I do actually have a couple more. But to prevent this from getting too long, I think I'm going to save these till next time. And hopefully within the next short while, some more will come in. And, nope, there's a couple I can still show you that are out there. Balloons. And my maybe favorite of all, pretty sure you've seen this one. I very first saw this oven dye on Strawberry Cream 39's channel. Love her channel. Hi Jen, if you're watching ever. Anyway, guys, if you've stuck around this long, thank you so much for watching my first video. And for the next one, like I say, I'm going to open up these other dies and have a project share to show you from something out of all my new stuff. Okay, thanks again for watching. Merry Christmas and see you again soon. Bye-bye.